Well, hi guys, Todd here again with TW Home Show, and today I've got a treat for you. I'm doing a small project in our newly completed tiled bedroom here, our master bedroom suite, and I wanted to mix some old world type style with the new modern functionality of smart home features, and that's what I'm going to do today. I'm going to show you, take you guys along. Now, to give you a sneak peek or a hint of what we're going to do today, I have a lantern. It looks like an old world lantern, glass lantern in our dining room currently. And I've got some candles I put in there. They're battery operated. They're not smart. They're battery operated with a little IR control, and you can turn them on in the evenings, but you can't set them on a schedule. You have to manually turn them on every night if you want to have that type of luminance in your room with the candle feature. But this time around, I'm going to kind of take some of those features from that lantern out there and bring them to both sides of our bedroom here for bedside lamps. And they're going to be lanterns actually. And I'm going to put them, combine them with a smart home table lamp. And it's going to have smart features. You can change the colors, change the dimness, have them come on a schedule, off on a schedule. So guys, stay tuned and we'll take a look in more detail what we're going to do and go ahead and achieve our results in this video coming up next. All right guys, so this is our completed bedroom suite with our newly tiled floor. Really nice looking, rich looking, I believe. Huge double power beds they have where you can recline them, put them up or whatever to watch TV. We've got our big huge 80-inch screen television right there, double door out to the back patio screened in, and we've got two nightstands that kind of match. No lights over here yet, but we're gonna use, I'm gonna show you in just a minute, but we just got all this all retiled all through our closets and everything. And what we've got here are these lanterns. Now I've got two lanterns, one for each side, his and hers. And I got a pack of these on Amazon. These are 8-inch brackets. I'll leave the links to everything below the video in the video description in case you want to kind of duplicate some of this. I've got 4 screw-in drywall anchors, and these are the tools that I'll be using today.
Just another sunny day in Southern California. It's where the people came to play. Don't let them transform you. Oh. Come and see what you've been missing.
Now my plan is to take these, and they've got little hinges here on the doors and they open up, and I want to put a smart lamp in here. It's a, I believe you can touch it to turn it on and change the colors, but we're not going to use those features because these smart lamps are going to work with our Alexa device in here. So we can have it on a schedule, we can tell it to turn on or off on command. We can pair both of these lamps within the lanterns here. We can pair them so that they operate together. And they do have cords. They're not battery operated. I don't want to fool with batteries. I don't want them to go dead every month or every few weeks. I want to have them on cords and not mess with them anymore once I get this project done. And we're going to run the cords up through the top and then out. We're going to attach it, tie it real firmly to our bracket here. So that's the plan. Let's get started and mounting these brackets first. All right guys, let's take a look at our situation here. I thought that I would mount these right here or here. Of course, I've got the electrical cord coming up the bracket, and I was going to tuck it and run it down behind the headboard here. So I wanted it as close as possible. But if I put it like right here beside the headboard, the lamps, they're hitting the headboard here, see, and they're not going to hang straight. So I'm thinking I might put them right here because they're actually right above the end table at this point, almost close to center above. They're away from our head, so our head won't hit it, our pillows won't hit it, and it'll be like part of the bedroom furniture here if I do it like this. And I think I could either run the cords, electrical cord around here and attach it in the back and then drop it down, or I could drill a hole. I've got two options if I put the lamp right here, and I like how it hangs like this, straight ahead. So I'm gonna mount them right here. Just got them centered in between this big wood pillar here. Got my marks. Now I'm going to drill some pilot holes for my screws to go in there so it doesn't split my wood finish here. Nice and sturdy now. There we go, guys. One lamp done. Except for the light inside. So that's the feel of it. Notice I didn't make the bracket come above here. Kind of looks part of the headboard, like it was kind of like a designer set. And we'll get the other one mounted. I'll take measurements, make it the same height, mount it on the other side. Solid. Nice, guys. Looking nice. Looking like how I imagined, for sure. I like that antique bronze finish on it. But the lights, when we get the lights in there, that's gonna really make the deal. All right, this is our meross smart lamp. Smart ambient light with color changing, it says. So if you touch the top, it will circulate through the different colors. That's pure white right there. So tap it on, double tap to turn it off. Tap it once to turn it on, double tap off. And then hold it, and it will go through the different brightness sequences. And I notice there's 9 different levels. And then if you press it once and again, it will go through your different color modes that are available. And of course, we're gonna set this all up within our Amazon device so that we can voice control this. So we won't have access to touch the top of this because it's gonna be in our lanterns. So that's just gonna make it even smarter and more convenient for us. So let's get it all set up. Okay, we're gonna start with the meross app, and I've got it already loaded right here. I'm gonna press that, open it up, and we're going to install devices right now. So I'm gonna press the plus button at the top right, and I'm going to add, what do they got here? They've got lots of stuff here. I'm gonna add the smart ambient light right here in the middle, right there. And do next. Power up device, the LED, the status LED will start to blink slowly. It is blinking slowly. Do next. Connect the device, Wi-Fi, and then come back to meross, okay? Go to Wi-Fi. The light is blinking slowly on the unit. There it is. I'm going to select it. Okay, I'm connected. I'm going to go back. Okay, give your device a simple, easy name. smart ambient light. I'm going to keep this connected. I'm going to make this Todd's light. I'll make the other one Cheryl's light. Okay, done. Next. Choose icon. Okay, I'll select that one. Next. And choose a network, TW Wi-Fi, and I'll enter my password. Still connecting, almost done, it says. So we'll almost be done here in just a moment. And it says done. Enjoy your smart home life with meross. Okay, I'm gonna hit the done button. And there's Todd's light. I press it to turn it off and on easily. Okay, that's how you connect it. Actually, first I'm going to go back here and go to skills. Make sure I have the meross. You need the meross app in here, within your skills. I think I've already downloaded it. We'll see. And I'm not sure if I did or not. I don't see it right here, so I'm going to go ahead and search for it. Meross Smart Home. And meross, I'm going to select, shoot, I don't know which one. I'm going to select the second one down, just meross. Enable to use. Should load up. Then I got to log into my meross with my username and password and authorize it. Your meross account has been successfully linked, so we're done. We're going to close that, and then we're going to select to discover devices down here in the bottom of our screen. I'm going to press that to discover, and hopefully it discovers our devices, although one I see is not plugged in. I'm going to try to plug that in real quick. Let's see if it discovers both of them. The fun's going to be after we get this electronics part of it hooked up and working and get these actually into our lanterns. That's going to be the fun part. So just stick around. Okay, it did find the two devices, so do next. And Cheryl's light and Todd's light, so we are good to go. We'll probably just make them into a group within our Alexa device next, and then we can make routines like schedules. We can schedule it to come on in the evening time and then maybe off, say at 11 or 12 at night when we normally go to bed, and have it come on maybe early in the morning, whatever you prefer, guys. That's how these smart lamps work. Or you can just tell your Alexa device, you just got to have one next to your bedside. Just tell it to turn your bedside lamps on. So whatever you name it. I think I'm going to group these together. So I name it one name, like bedside lamps. And we remember that. And that's what we tell it to turn on and off. All right, we're going to go ahead and install our smart lights into our lanterns. They fit nicely. They've got a non-slip bottom. Just center them up inside the lantern. Close it and go ahead and latch it. There you go. Now we'll have to install our cord and run that out the top here and over the side and over behind the headboard. And then we'll plug it in. We'll see how they work. These lamps are the perfect size to fit inside of these lanterns. As you can see, they kind of look like a thick candlestick, but the whole thing's gonna glow. All right, guys, we have it done here. We've got our old world meets smart home right here with our lantern bed lamps. They're hung up, they look beautiful. There's a few methods you can turn them on with a schedule, with your Amazon, or with the app, the meross app, or with the bedside table lamp switch right here. Bed lamps, press that, they come on. Guys, beautiful. I'm loving it. I hope maybe you do too. Maybe you love this project. Maybe you want to do something like this. It'd be great for dens, living rooms, for your end tables. Put them up against your wall in the entryway or something like that. And we're going to try these out and see everything that they can do. Set bed lights to red.
Okay.
Set bed lights to blue.
Okay.
Awesome. Awesome, guys. It works.
Okay.
Awesome. It's working good, guys.
Thanks. I'm glad I could help.
Echo. Set bed lights to orange.
Okay.
Echo. Set bed lights to green.
Okay.
Echo. Set bed lights to 100%.
Okay.
You can't beat that. Awesome. Echo. Set bed lights to white.
Okay.
Echo. Set bed lights to 5%.
Okay.
Echo. Set bed lights to blue.
Okay.
Echo. Set bed lights to 60%.